everybody, I'm Lego Separate and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today I am willing to do a boat. So I built a boat and I will show you how to make this boat, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So I'm going to be using two different base plates for this, a 6x6 base plate and a 4x6 base plate in white. I'm just going to slot them together like this, and I'm going to use a 6x4 base plate to attach them together like this. Press it down firmly enough, and now we're going to make the framework of our boat. I'm going to be using 10 of these inverted roof tile pieces. I'm going to stick 6 of them together at the front here. Now if you want to make your boat bigger, then you pile them on top of each other to, you know, to make the kind of hull of it rather big. But this is going to be a kind of like a dinghy, so it will be quite low. And also I'm going to leave a 1x2 gap over here because we're going to be using a 1x2 side attachment brick over here, and on the side a grill element. I'm using metallic silver. This is going to be our, you know, thrust through the engine. So for the sides we're going to be using these 1x4 standard bricks. As you can see, I'm using a lot of pink because I especially like pink. I adore this kind of pink. And 2 of these 2x2 standard bricks will fill in the front part over here. Now for the seating area, we're going to be using 1x4 standard base plates, 2 of them on top of here. These special pieces to hold mini dolls legs in, or mini figures legs in. A 2x4 tile for the seating, and a 2x4 standard base plate over here. Now we're going to be attaching some base plates around here in white to, you know, give it a bit more color. You can use any formation of base plates you want to. Just all cover all the pink over here. Now I'm going to be using this big modified tile for the front. This is going to be the front deck. I'm going to be using a 1x6 tile and another 1x6 tile. This is going to be the sides. A 2x6 standard base plate for the back here. It's already taking shape. Now for the pillars at the back, we're going to be using a standard roof tile back here, a steering wheel over here, and this double G-slope just to finish it off. And there we've done it. So there we have it. Our boat or dinghy is complete. Now you will definitely hear me say that you can use this design however you like. Well, my aim in this is not using a mono piece hull like most boats do. Just I've used brick techniques to make a substantial boat as well. Now this is motor powered, but you could fix a sail, you could expand the hull even more with bricks if you like. But what most important is that it carries people, and I've got Stephanie over here, and I'm just going to slot her legs in, and there she goes. And you can put another mini doll or even a minifigure in the spare seat over here. And what else can I say? I just sail off. So that's the end of our video. I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!